Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. I really appreciate you. So today is a Saturday. It's a Saturday morning. I think it's around like 7:30. So sorry. Yeah, today is a Saturday morning around 7:30. I am in Gibbs. We are traveling to Mahalape for a family friend's anniversary. They've been married for I forgot how many years, but yeah, we're going to attend that. I'm going with Mamzi and Riley. I'm just wearing this fit. It's just a bodysuit. These shorts, chino shorts that I got from Woolworths, and then some slides that I got from those are dirty. I'm wearing these slides that I got from Mr. Price. So heavy. So the theme is pink. I think blush pink or pink. I don't know. I have two dresses, but one is, sorry guys, before I get to the outfit, I'm having a hair crisis. I'm sure you guys can tell. So I'd really long borrowed my hair dryer. I've been in my halapa the entire time. I came yesterday. I know it's crazy. I wanted to do my hair and nails, of which I did. Well, I didn't manage my hair, but yeah, I wanted to do that so that I look proper for the anniversary lunch. So I really unfortunately didn't return my hair dryer. I only realized that this morning, and I thought I'll just do it and then dry my hair with a fan. It didn't work out. So I'm gonna pass my house, I think, and then I'll sort my hair situation in Mahalape. The lunch is gonna start at 11. The plan is to have breakfast around 9:30, go Cresta, and then we can get changed and then go to the anniversary lunch. So yeah, outfit. I have two dresses that I'm thinking of. I put them in a bag. I think Riley's gonna wear this one. Such a cute dress. She's had this for like 3 years now. It's time she wears it. I have this dress that I'm thinking of wearing. It's quite warm and today is hot, but I honestly don't have a choice. It's the only thing I have. I didn't go to the shops to look for an outfit because of time. I arrived yesterday. I had a client here to do my nails. Plus, I was working in Mahalape, so I got here, I think, around 2 p.m., 2:30. So I honestly didn't have time for that. The other dress is this one, which I really like. I wish I could wear this one, but it's quite see-through. So I'm going to have to wear like a pair of tights or something underneath. And sweetie, it's so hot. I just can't do that to myself. So I think I'm going to settle with this one. I'm just going to wear my kitten heels, the gold ones from Legit. And then carry my yellow bag from Modern Beauty. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything in this bag. For now, I think I'm just gonna wear this hat. It's my mom's hat. I honestly do not have a choice. My hair is bad. That looks better. I'm just gonna tie that and then let's go. I'm carrying this bag for now because I'm bougie like that. I don't mind changing handbags twice in a day. Carrying this just to lay my edges. I've got my perfume. I'm gonna wear Gucci today, so let's go. Oopsie. It's beautiful. Cheesy. Hey guys, so quick update. I managed with my hair, although I was doing it on a rush, but I think it's quite presentable. So we went to Cresta before coming here because we called at around 11 and they said they haven't started yet. We should come at 12. So we thought, 12 gonna go Motswana. And honestly, we didn't eat anything back home. Like I said, we're gonna have breakfast here. We ended up, so we left quite late. So we got here about 10:30, just before 10:30. And then, yeah, we went to pick up my partner. So that we go together, go Cresta. We got in the shops. Riley messed up her dress with slime. So we had to pick up a new outfit for her and then, yeah, do all of that. So we ended up getting go Cresta to 12. They said the food was going to take about 30 minutes. And then the guy here called and said, bye, Simon, with the event. So we had to rush here and then ask Cresta to put our food in take away. And then my partner came to drop us here and then go back to get the food, of which he did. That's why I'm blaming for picking and not so presentable, but it's okay. We ate. Yeah, just that. Yeah, that's the update. I look so oily, like my face is so shiny. Hey guys, we are almost done here. We're gonna be heading back to Gibbs. Unfortunately, we're not sleeping over, so yeah, at least we have a driver bay. So yeah, I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired. My face is even breaking out, guys, like literally. I hate this. Anyways, I'm gonna close off the vlog here for today. I will see you guys tomorrow, although I don't have anything planned. I'm literally just going to go to church and then work after that. So catch you guys another day. Hi guys, good morning. Today is a Sunday and as I said, we are heading to church. I think we're around 5 minutes away. We're late. We're gonna get to church about 9:12, and that means we would have missed praise. Sad. But yeah, we're on our way. Riley was supposed to come to church today. She said she wants to go to Sunday school or kids church, but she bailed out on us this morning. I don't know why. She's at her grandmother's house, so yeah, but it's okay. After that, I want to go make some purchases for the business. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. There's a sale that I saw go trans, yeah, and yeah, hell in like 2 days, so I need to buy some stuff there. So let's go enjoy church and then go to the shops.
Join us on Sunday, 4th of December for our annual Christmas production. Full of wonder, full of awe, this is an opportunity to enlarge your world.
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, so yeah, before I tell you guys what I'm going to do today, I just thought let me have a little chat. I promise I won't be long. So yesterday in church was so amazing, you guys. Like, I haven't been to church in 2 weeks because I was working in Mahala Bay. So yeah, all I could do was live link, but it's just not the same with you being inside church, like being in the presence and you watching online. Of course, yes, you get the word, but honestly, it's not the same. So yeah, I was so overwhelmed by gratitude. I'm so thankful. Like, I remember I did shoot a video, some months back, telling you guys how things have just been rough in my life. Obviously just being unemployed, business not doing well and stuff like that, and trying to make ends meet. You have a child that you have to provide for. It was just a lot. And I was just honestly thinking that now, I mean, I don't have it all together, honestly. Only just started getting paid now, obviously, because working with the government takes some time, and obviously doing it over and over again. Obviously, I mean, Wadiba Madi here and there, to be able to deliver things that they've ordered, and then you just wait for the payment. So obviously I'm at a point where I am trying to pay off debt, but I'm just so grateful because I know I have money that's gonna come into my account. I've done the job, I'm waiting for payment, and I'm just so grateful that this door has opened in my life. It's something that I've wanted for so many years, like so many years. If you guys remember, I did share that I had had a catering company with my friend Bakang, but obviously as time went on, we discovered that she wants something that's different from mine, and then I want something that's different from hers. And then so since our interests were kind of clashing, I decided to just start my own company there. And then yeah, now that like I've started catering and stuff for like companies and the government, individuals as well, I'm so grateful for that. Like, I'm really, really grateful because it's something that I've wanted. I'm gonna put a picture on the side here. My friend Bakang and Drahat used to cook together. I think we had all graduated, there were no jobs, so we started cooking and selling food, go main mall. So just yesterday hell, I was just thinking about like all those days, like the practice it took. And I think a plate was like 25 pula, a small plate was like 15 pula, or 20 and 15 back in the days, years ago. So yeah, I just thought about that, just the practice that came with it. It's things that I implement now in my company. And like I'm saying, I just got overwhelmed by gratitude. And then earlier on this year, when I didn't have money, Bakang was just there for me. It's embarrassing for women to be asking for things like pads or deodorant and stuff like that, and I'm just so grateful that Bakang was just there for me in that time. Like, she just get in a shop, get me that, get my daughter some stuff for school, like mupako, and then she just come at home and bring them, and she didn't even ask her, like, do you need them? Like, she knows what pads I use, she knows what deodorant I use. And at my roughest point in life, she was there. She just come here, but they said it would end. I just thought about that yesterday, and just looking at where I am right now, I just got overwhelmed with so much joy, and realizing that I'm in a place that I've prayed for so many years in my life. I almost gave up on this dream because things were just not aligning. Like I'm saying, we started a company together with Bakang, and then now it's like we have different interests. So I was kind of like, okay, what do I do now? I'm stuck, I don't know what to do, but just realizing that yesterday, I was so grateful. I'm still grateful today. I'm so happy, and I thought, let me just share that with you guys. Like, whatever it is that you're praying for, whatever it is that you're working on, please keep trying. Keep trying. One day a call is gonna come, and it's just going to change your life forever. Like, I know I'm still pushing on doors. I'm not where I want to be, but honestly, I'm just gonna sit here and be grateful and realize that I am where I once prayed to be. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So today I'm going to go out. Yesterday I did go with my partner, the chef and dishes, like I said. So we went to a trans in Motswana. Turns out they don't have the special. It's only in the one in industrial in Gibbs. So yeah, by the time I got there, they were closed. the ladies said they were gonna close at 1, but they closed at 12. So today is a Monday. I'm gonna go there with my cousin, but before that I need to go get my passport done. My passport is gonna expire in like 2 weeks or so. So I don't wanna be the person who the pack and I'm like, ooh, my passport has expired. I'll always want to be ready. So I'm going to get my passport done. And then I'm gonna get the chefing dishes. Like, I am so happy. So happy. I am so grateful. So yeah. One day the week hits it go to business. And then I'll start getting a salary for myself. But for now, I'm happy to be doing this for the business, happy to be purchasing things for the business. And yeah, let's go and do that. Guys, I managed. I'm so happy. Oh, how's it? Yeah. My cousin was just buying ice pops for us because it's so damn hot. Like it's beautiful. So I managed. I took forever at immigration, but honestly, I managed, and that's all that matters. So the revenue office closes at like 3:30, and I was assisted at 27 minutes past 3. You can imagine. And we got there about, I think, like 10:30. So yeah, it's quite slow, but yeah, they said I should come get it next week Thursday. So yeah, it's not too bad. It'll be like the 1st of December, I think. So it's not bad. Oh, I'm alright. So yeah, we're gonna head home now, and then I have a client at 6:30. Hey guys, another day in this vlog. So today's a Thursday. Sorry, today's Thursday, and I think it's like past 3 p.m. I've been lazy to leave the house all day. I did my cousin's nails, but I was just honestly too lazy. I hope you guys can hear me. So I'm heading to Game City. I'm almost there. I'm actually meeting my mom there. She was there because she had to do a number of stuff, and yeah, so she went there before me. So on my agenda, I have to look for some things for Riley. So number 1 is a pair of lechesa, and then I need to lay by her Christmas clothes. Imagine the end of November, I'm only going to lay by now. And then I need to get extremely late birthday gifts for 2 of my friends. I honestly didn't have the funds. You guys know I started this year on a good note. I was gifting my friends on the actual birthdays. Like, I didn't have to give anyone the gift late, but obviously media, you guys know things changed for me, especially financially. So I am only gonna get them now. Honestly, I have updated them so many times just so they know that this girl just can't. Honestly, I just couldn't. So yeah, I'm going to do that today. I think I already know what I'm gonna get them. I just hope I'll find the stuff in stock. Do you get it? Obviously Black Friday is near. Anyways, so yeah, let's get to Game City and do a couple of things. I don't like my nails, by the way. I don't like this color. I think I'm just gonna change this color, guys, like, to be very honest. It's not me. It's not giving. People say it's cute, but it's honestly not giving for me. So yeah, let's go so that I stop vlogging and driving. Plus I'm rambling, so bye.